I'm taking the absorbers to the shop for it to be refurbished. Hopefully it's fine, it's not an issue. Hopefully it doesn't leak so badly. Look at that, man. Right, so yeah, I'm taking it to the shop and it's not as expensive as I thought it would be. It's a lot more affordable than I thought. So yeah, oh wow, these are the front ones. The front ones are here. 前面两只哦。啊。
那只还没有拆，那只也整地给他看。
啊，整地给他。啊，mari. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Wow, so the whole piece. So basically the resistance is all gone. The whole car literally sunk there. And the suspension has been cut. As you can see, the suspension actually has been cut. So, there you go. Very unfortunate. Why do people do this kind of thing? Well, they do lah. I will do what I can to fix their problem. That's all I can say. Alright, bringing to the shop time. See you guys. Okay, so we are here at Amin Service absorber for the TA41. So actually it's the same shop with Godspeed Garage. But they're not open for the absorber today lah. But doesn't matter, because since I'm only leaving the parts here. So yeah. Alright. As you can see, my Alpha is basically my van lah. Boleh? Mari. Nut ni semua kena ambil. Servis lebih kurang berapa lama bos? Tengok dia mesin lah. Ini ori kan?
Ini ori part.
Ori ya? So memang tak ada resistance dah. Ha. Dah lama lah saya tak mau tukar. Ha kan? Minyak pun dah habis.
Kita mau cari dia oil seal dia.
Alright, so yeah, if you're not looking to modify, well, if you're looking to modify, I think you can come here as well. The shop is in Subang 2. You can check it out. Amin Service for absorber. Oh, they have a lot of cars here, man. Huge amount of cars. Alright. Wow, when you see a Celica, you get excited, man. Look at this. Not bad. Body is still okay. Steel bumper, man. Nice. Wow. Let's see the interior. Wow. I think it's modified. Wow. Steel bumper, man. Nice stuff. Bumper is worth a bit of money. Okay, the condition not too bad. This is rescuable, very easily done. Mau jual lah, bos? Mau jual lah? Siapa bukan kamu punya? Siapa punya? Tak tahu. Oh. Okay. Yeah, so exciting stuff, man. This is very easily rescuable. Very easily rescuable. The body and all is all in good condition. This is pre-facelift. Let's see the other side. That thing is missing. I know where to buy it. A little bit of adjustment is needed here. Why? Why is it needed? This is so weird. Right, you can see the interior. Yeah, interesting. What dashboard is that? This is a weird dashboard. What is it using? In any case, yeah, this is rescuable. There's a hole here. Alright. Oh, the fuel tank I could use. Right guys, I have already picked up the door card for the Celica. The wrapper was not able to put back this metal strip, so I will go home and try to put it in, and then we'll put a chrome strip across over there. Yep, so 2 pieces, as you can see. Quite nice, man. So yep, this is what it was. This is what you saw. Now we wrap over it blue color PVC leather. Right, it's nice, man. Okay, let's put this back and we'll go home and put in the metal brace, the bar of metal brace on top. Alright, see you guys.